How to fix Saints Row Reboot 2022 unable to start error. 1. Quit then restart the game. 2. Keep pressing the enter key in the launcher. 3. End background processes via WTM. 4. Play the game, say. Saints Row 4, 32-bit, as administrator. 5. Automatically troubleshoot Epic Games Launcher. 6. Verify the game files. In Epic Games Launcher. Like this. 7. Update system drivers, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide, and Windows. 8. Disable your antivirus. 9. Move or install the game to an SSD, if you can. Hint, Google move an Epic game to another. Drive. 10. Install the Saints Row Reboot 2022 game in the same drive/location as your OS and the Epic Games Launcher. 11. Uninstall then reinstall the game. 12. Restart your PC and launch the game. 13. Log out then back into Epic Games Store. 14. Run the Epic Games Store as admin. 15. Remove all connected USB devices. 16. Run the Saints Row Reboot 2022 game via its desktop shortcut and allow the launcher to rest for few seconds. Now choose one of the following graphics option, DX12, DX11 or Fukin. 17. Quit then restart the Epic Games Launcher.